name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. You understand what my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow, staring.
Yeah, welcome back with another video. I'm gonna be piercing my nose. Do y'all see this little dot right here? This one I have my nose piercing, so this is my nose piercing. Hey, my mom said she was gonna pierce it, but I'm doing it. Sorry, mama. But I just want to do it on my time. You feel me? I just want to do it on my time. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, y'all. So I got this. I had got a piercing kit thing, and it come with gloves and stuff, and like needles and alcohol pads and stuff like that. And it had got me some jewelry, some nose jewelry. Hold on, wait. Obviously this stuff, but this is regular alcohol right here. My needle and my piercing is in here, type shit. So let me stick these gloves on. Yo, I haven't came out with a YouTube video in so long. I'm just doing it just because. Damn, these gloves tight as hell. Yo, I'm not gangbanging. I'm just, you feel me? When we start building me out. Yeah, and I got some paper towels just in case my nose bleed. I don't know what my mama gonna say. My mama say she, man, you don't know. I'm scared because I don't like pointy stuff. Shit. Oh, Lord Jesus, Lord Jesus. I don't even got no mirror, bro. And I'm not doing it in the bathroom. This bitch. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. Where's it at? It's right here. Bro, I'm scared as fuck. I can't do it. Bitch. I can't do it. Nope. I can't. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I do it. Bro, I did it. Bro, I see the thing. This shit don't hurt, but it kinda hurt. Try to push it in. Ooh, Lord Jesus, protect my soul, Lord Jesus. I'm overreacting it. Like, y'all see the thing? Like, y'all see it? Bro. Bless me. Bless me. Okay, I see it. It's like right here. I can feel it. And my nose kind of bleeding. This shit hurt like a peach. People did not tell me this shit was gonna work. They talk about, oh yeah, I heard this don't look, bitch. Got me sweating my quick weave out. That shit hurt. This shit hurt so bad. I'm gonna get some ice and I'm gonna numb it. Bitch. I don't need no ice. I'm just pushing it out. Alright. I did that bitch like a champ. Bro, it's not this shit coming out my nose. Lord Jesus. Bitch. Let me do my thumbnail. Let me do my thumbnail. Cause bitch, they ain't tell me nothing about this shit being hurting. When this shit hurt. Like, what the fuck? I got a hoodie here, shit. Oh, that shit hurt. That shit bleeding. Oh. 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 Every fucking year. Bitch. Never the fuck again, bitch. I pierced my nose. I like keep with a nose piercing. Don't mind my hair. I like keep with a nose piercing. Bitch, I pierced my nose.